All right, welcome. Today, we are diving headfirst into a real clash of the titans, the automation showdown between Zapier and Make.com.
Behind the scenes of the no-code world, there's this massive battle brewing. We've got two automation giants in a secret war for dominance. The big question is, as we look towards 2025, which one is going to come out on top? So in this corner, we have Zapier, the original gangster, the one who pretty much started this whole game of connecting our apps. And in the other corner, you've got Make.com, the new age powerhouse that's really pushing the limits of what automation can even do. Two very different fighters, for sure.
So why do we even care about this? Well, because automation isn't just a nice to have anymore. It's a straight up superpower. We're talking about the ability to make your business practically run itself, turning all those tedious manual hours into smart automated workflows. Picking the right tool here is a huge deal. Okay, so to figure this out, we've set up a 5-round fight. We'll start with ease of use, then move to features and power. After that, we'll talk money in the price of power, then the all-important AI advantage, and finally, reliability. Then, we'll deliver the final verdict. Let's do this. All right, ding ding, round 1 is all about ease of use. This really boils down to that classic battle, simplicity versus flexibility. How fast can you actually get something working? Zapier's whole philosophy is simplicity. It's got this super clean, step-by-step interface. You plug in one app, connect it to another, and you're good to go. It's built for speed. Make.com, though, is a totally different beast. It's like a visual canvas, a flow chart where you build out your automations. It's insanely flexible and gives you so much more control. So for round 1, we're calling it a split decision. The winner really depends on who you are. If you're new to this or just need to get a simple job done, like right now, Zapier is your winner. But if you're the kind of person who wants to see everything, control every little detail, and build visually, then Make.com absolutely takes the round. Okay, let's get into the heavy stuff. Round 2, features and power. This is where we pop the hood and see what these engines are really made of. Zapier's biggest punch is just its sheer reach. I mean, look at that number. Over 6,000 apps. It's mind-blowing. If there's a piece of software you use, chances are Zapier can talk to it. This is their kingdom. But here's the thing. While Zapier goes wide, Make.com goes deep. It's loaded with what you could call superpowers. You get things like advanced conditional logic, so your workflow can make smart decisions. Routers let you split your automation into multiple paths. It even has built-in error handling and lets you mess with data right in the middle of a workflow. It's just built for complexity. And because of that incredible depth and precision, for round 2, the winner is Make.com. For anyone who needs to build something that isn't just a simple A to B connection, Make.com wins this round hands down. All right, on to round 3, the price of power. It's great to have all these cool features, but what's it going to cost you? For a lot of us, this is the real decider. And their pricing models are completely different. Zapier's is pretty predictable, right? You pay for each zap and for each task that runs. It's easy to understand, but man, it can get expensive really fast as you scale up. Make.com charges per operation, which is a much smaller, more granular unit. The bottom line, you just get way more bang for your buck, especially for complex automations. So when it comes to value for money, the winner of the pricing round has to be Make.com. This is especially true for any power user or business that's running a ton of automated tasks every month. Now, for a really critical round, especially as we're talking about the future, round 4, the AI advantage. How are these two platforms handling the biggest shift in tech, maybe ever? So both are definitely leaning into AI, but they're doing it differently. Zapier makes it super easy with direct connections to things like ChatGPT. It's awesome for spinning up a quick chat automation. Make.com, again, goes deeper. It lets you use AI modules and connect to basically any service through webhooks and APIs, which lets you build these end-to-end autonomous systems. So for its pure flexibility and, honestly, its more future-proof approach to building with AI, we have to give this round to Make.com. It's not just for using AI, it's for building with it. Okay, we've made it to our final round before the big verdict. Round 5, ecosystem and reliability. How stable are these things? Can you actually bet your business on them?
And this is where Zapier's long history really shines. It has been a battle tested for years by thousands and thousands of companies. It just has this enterprise-level reliability that is hard to compete with. Make is solid, but Zapier is still the undisputed champion of stability. So for reliability, Zapier takes the final round.
Okay, the rounds are over, the scores are tallied. It is time for the final verdict. After all that, which of these amazing automation platforms is the right choice for you in 2025?
Look, here's the bottom line. You should go with Zapier if what you value most is simplicity, that plug-and-play speed, and just rock-solid reliability for your most important, straightforward tasks. But you should go with Make.com if you're craving that next-level flexibility. You want total control over your data, and you're ready to build powerful, complex, AI-driven workflows.
And this choice really highlights a massive shift. Automation isn't just about connecting app A to app B anymore. It's about building these entire digital ecosystems that can actually think and operate on their own. That's where all of this is headed.
So I gotta ask, after all that, which side are you on? Are you on Team Make.com or Team Zapier? Drop a comment below and let me know. I am genuinely curious to see where everyone lands on this. And that's a wrap on this Automation Showdown. Hey, if this was helpful for you, do me a favor and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that are building our future. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.